Hi guys, and welcome to the pre-sale bonus page for Traffic Magnets. Now Traffic Magnets goes live on the 11th of April at 11 AM Eastern Standard. Now they do have a webinar. It's a live webinar 1 hour before this goes live, so if you want to access that, just click Claim My Bonus Traffic Magnets and take you across to the pre-sale page for the webinar. Register for that, and then if you purchase on there, you'll be instantly locked in for my bonus. Now, I'm going to tell you about my bonus, show you what's involved. I'll give you kind of a demonstration of what this does. I'll also show you free downloads as well. Now, first, my bonus. Let me go down here. Now, traffic magnets is all about traffic apps. This is just single-use apps. You know, you've seen them online, like say calculators, SEO headline creators. Other things, diet creators, things like that. It's an app that somebody will go, they'll use it for free, it'll create kind of custom plans, something like that, and you'll pick up the traffic so you can advertise to those people. Now, one part of my bonus, it's only available to the first 20 buyers of the bundle, is we will create you a totally bespoke traffic app. So that'll be fully unique to you, fully customized, what you want. We'll build you a single page traffic app. Okay, so we'll not just build you the app, we're going to give you the source code so you do what you want with it. We'll set it up for you. You can host it on our servers or your own. We'll build you a matching lead page, a giveaway page, and we'll also have built-in monetization there as well. Okay, that is for the first 20 buyers. You must purchase the bundle to get that. But this is a super unique bonus because you're getting a full custom single page app. Okay, now let me show you what else you're going to get. We've also got the 20 traffic machines. So with the traffic magnets, you get 20 apps built in. Now, I've created, myself and my team, I've created 20 more. And these are amazing. And once you see what these do, you will definitely want these. And everything else on here is for the front end purchase. Okay, so purchase the front end, you get everything else on this page. So you get 20 traffic apps ready to deploy, 20 done for your articles, lead page, thank you page, built-in giveaway system, and plug and play traffic strategy. Now you also get the ability to sell on those 20 traffic apps. So not only do you get the 20 traffic apps, you get the ability to resell and pass on rights to your customers so they can install the apps and use them themselves to build traffic. Okay, so not only do they get the apps, they get the pages, they get the giveaways, everything else as well. And remember, this is on the front end. And then we've created the ad control hub, and I'll show you what that is in a moment. It's kind of a banner control hub. And again, this comes with the front end. And what it lets you do, it lets you place banners on these apps and control kind of where they go and what they show, etc. But we're also going to give you the full source code to that and the white label rights, which means you can resell that as your own. We've got a sales page, everything else. Okay. Now, these are some of the apps. So we've got Prompt Pilot, we've got Staff Cost Comparison Tool, we've got Date Pilot, Dog Age Calculator. We've got ones for every niche. Freedom Fire Number Calculator. We've got Flooring Calculator. We've got Goal Pilot, and it tells you every one of these does. Growth Map, Headline Lab, Launch Pilot, Mortgage Map, Name Journey, Smart Budget Planner, Smart Calorie Planner, Smart Pricing Tool, Smart Rate Calculator, Daily Study Planner, Trip Pilot, Viral Post Calculator, Solar Pilot, Niche. These are some extra bonuses that we've got as well. So we've got Niche Opportunity Finder, Keyword Intelligence Tool, Traffic Kickstart. Now we've also got these bonuses as well on top. AI Traffic Vault, Traffic Boost AI, Traffic Flow Social Planner, Traffic Flow Blueprint, get out, Traffic Trends Tracker, Traffic Trends Tracker, Traffic Trends Mastery, sorry, not Mystery, the Click Flow Playbook. Okay, so that's all the bonuses, and all those except for the unique build one is all for the front end. So all you have to do is purchase the front end to get all those. Now right at the bottom here you'll find your free downloads, as you can see. So make sure that you claim those. As you can see, you've got lots and lots of downloads there. They will expire on the 11th of April, so make sure that you lock those in. Now let me jump back up here a second. As you can see, this is a big bonus. Let's go back up here. Where are we? Let's give you a sneak look at one of these. So this one's Prompt Pilot creates better prompts. So let me just click here and we'll open it up so you can see exactly what this does. Now you can see it creates better prompts. Before I show you how it works, you can see this banner here. This is run by the banner management system. So you can add banners in this system. You'll get access to this. You'll get access to sell it as well. Okay. So as you can see, it has this banner here with the red button. Let's go back over here. So we'll edit that. We'll upload the kind of duplicate of that. So this has got the blue one. So we'll just upload that. Click update. Okay, that should be updated now. Come back to the prompt system and then we will refresh this. It should load with the blue one. There we go. Okay. So you get to control all those banners. You can place them wherever you want on the page. Now let me show you how this works. And again, this is free. So someone will come over here and you'll have this in Google. They'll be looking for how to make better prompts, etc. And they'll get to here. It's totally free. So select your goal. Email marketing we'll go with. Topic niche. So we'll say affiliate marketing. Target audience is, we'll go with marketers. Desired outcome. I want to increase clicks to my emails. So optional settings, we want tall, casual, platform. We use ChatGPT, it gives you multiple ones there. We'll go with a medium length, and what we'll do is we'll generate the prompt. Okay, so this is generated. Again, this is free. No one needs to put AI keys or anything like that in there. So it gives you, so you're an email copywriter specializing in affiliate marketing. Please create an engaging email content for marketers aimed at increasing clicks to emails. Include these sections, provide medium email templates, gives you the tone, the length, platform. Okay, so quality score 100 out of 100. So you just copy that and then you can paste that into ChatGPT. It also gives you, I think 3 different prompts of that. Okay, so remember, all that's free. So you put all those 20 traffic magnets online and then you sit back and wait for the traffic to come. Okay, and then everyone can be monetized in multiple ways using the banner manager. Okay, so, and remember, you get access to that. You get access to resell it as well. You get access to resell the 20 apps. So not only do you get to install those, you can also sell them on to your clients as well. And they can install and use them. And up here, remember this is for the bundle, but we will create you a fully customized, unique one-page app for your niche, for your business. Whatever you want, just give us the details, we'll create it and create all the marketing materials to go with it. So it's very, very unique bonus. Don't miss out on it because no one will beat this bonus. Goes live on the 11th of April. If you want access to the webinar, make sure just click one of these red buttons and it will take you across to the page. Just sign up there and then on the 11th. Attend the webinar. I think it starts at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. And on that webinar, if you purchase, you will get my bonus locked in. Okay? So remember that totally unique, custom build, single page app is included. And it's worth thousands of dollars, is that? So make sure you claim your bonuses. Make sure that you claim your downloads as well. Those will expire on the 11th of April at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.